I carried on my shoulders a gun for 3 years, a systematic way to teach me all the fears. They said don't trust yourself because we know what's right. And so what? Well, so what if a friend of yours dies tonight? You are cheap for your money, but still you let them play with the lives of your children and just accept what they say, while they justify war and crime and defense. Well, does it have anything to do with the coming elections in the US? Oh yeah. If we slave for nothing, then nothing is what we will get. If money's what you're after, then you ain't seen nothing yet. You see those good poor people, they just don't deserve to be. If what they show on television seems to be all that we see, I heard that democracy's some kind of good way of life. So how come my voice just gets lost in the fight? And I just don't believe in anything that I hear, because I know there's something better than just pain and fear. Down and say, oh, now what can we do? And if we don't wake up soon, my friends, well, I fear we'll never do. There's something better, they're just pain and fear. I know there's something better, they're just pain and fear. I know there's got to be something better, they're just pain and fear. Well, I know there's something better, they're just pain and fear. תודה רבה כולכם, באמת הרבה תודה. אנחנו נתראה קיץ הבא עם עוד הופעות ועוד תוכניות ועוד דברים. אתם נותנים לנו את הכוח לעשות את זה, אז בהחלט תודה ונתראה. חג שמח, חג סוכות שמח לכולם.